Welcome back to our channel. If you enjoy trying to profit online, then this is the best channel for you. In this video, I will show you how to make money online in every 2 minutes for free. Make sure to follow at the very end of this video so that you can start earning money. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do click the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you'll be notified when we have a new and exciting strategy for making money online. So let's get started. If you want to make money online, you definitely watch this video. It supports you in enhancing and developing your performance, which benefits not just to you but others as well. With this free website that I'm about to share, you can start making money right immediately. But first, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. So let's get started with this video instruction. The first step is for you to go to google.com regardless of what device you're using, whether it's a smartphone, tablet, computer, or laptop, as long as you have internet access. I want you to go to Google and that will be our first tab. Because as always, I'll go over everything step by step so that anyone can follow along with me during this video as soon as it concludes. If you've completed all of the processes, you'll be ready to go out there and start producing money. So I want to go through each one as I teach you. For the moment now, go to google.com. The second step you must take while on Google is to search for a keyword called Captera. I want you to type in CAPTERRA and then press search. I'd like you to go to the first website, Captera.com, which reads top software at Captera software and software reviews. As soon as you arrive at Captera.com, this is what you'll see. This is a venue, a tool, a website, and a platform that will pay you to write various software and program reviews. Don't worry, you don't need to acquire that software. And you don't even need to use it. You can do the task in under 2 minutes. In less than 2 minutes, I'll show you how to do it. As you can see, there are over 700 different categories for software and programs. And inside each, there are hundreds of different software packages to review. You can review any of the digital products that are available online. And you will be paid $10 for each one that you review. Now, if you remain with me, I'll teach you how to finish that in less than 2 minutes and how to make over $10 over and over again without having to buy the software for yourself. To show you that this website genuinely works and that people profit from it, you can see that they have over 1,300,000 views, and you can easily calculate how much money people have gained with Captera.com by doing the math. You might be asking, why would they pay you $10 for each review that takes less than 120 seconds to write? It's because the program or product owner is ready to pay that much money if they can get more 5-star evaluations and positive feedback, which gives them more social proof. They'll be able to sell a lot more products. For them, it's a good return on investment, which is why they'll pay you $10 for less than 2 minutes of work. When you get to Captera.com, the third step is to click here where it says Submit a Review, and that will take you to the next page where you can find thousands of different companies and thousands of various products for which you may write a review. You may look for such items and companies right here, and you can also share your experiences with other software buyers. As I previously stated, when someone wants to buy software or a digital product, they will most likely go online to learn more about it and to see what other people are saying about it. And if the reviews are positive, they will be more likely to buy the software or product, which is why Captera is willing to pay you now. As you can see, you can review products such as Gmail by Google. You can write reviews for Telegram, Slack, Wix, Venmo, and so on. These are just a few of the most popular software programs for which you can write reviews and earn money. But there are literally thousands of other programs for which you can write reviews about and earn money, so there will be no shortage of opportunities to earn money with Captera.com. Now, if you go to Browse Categories, you'll be able to see thousands upon thousands of various categories of software that you can open up. You'll find everything from business software to customer care software to data collection software to email software, and so on. Each of the software reviews you write will earn you real money. So as you can see, there's a lot of possibilities just on this website. Let's imagine you want to write a review for the Telegram software. Instead of just clicking on it and writing the review right away, there's a great helpful tip that will save you a lot of time and make you a lot of money. It is to copy the real title of the software, copy the software name, and then go to Google and search for the software review. Of course, you can discover all of the different reviews here online from which you can get an idea even from Captera.com alone. So I can go on to this website and see how other people are doing it, what they wrote about it, and how they actually did their reviews, as you can see. This is an example of a successful review. You can see that he wrote about Telegram here, and this insight will allow you to review the software without having to buy it yourself. Of course, you can change the text a little bit to make it your own, but don't copy and paste it because that's obviously not going to work. You can simply get a copy of the software. This will save you a lot of time and money because you won't have to spend hours and hours learning about the software and finding the pros and cons, nor will you have to spend hundreds of dollars on the software just to write a simple review. Instead, you can just go through their reviews and pick out the most important parts. You already know the aspects you believe are the most significant, such as the benefits and drawbacks, as well as your general experience with the product. And you can simply create your own. In a moment, I'll show you a real-life example of how you can get an idea, spend countless hours, and spend countless dollars to write a review without actually purchasing the software. Now that you know all of that, let me show you a real-life example of how you'll actually complete a review and how you'll eventually. So, as I just showed you in the beginning of this video, you go to Captera. Click on Submit a Review and it will take you to this page where you can choose which company, product, or software you want to evaluate. Let's say I want to submit a review for the Telegram software. Simply click on it and you'll be sent to the review to write a review page, where you'll be asked to fill out some personal information. Now, I'd like you to fill in your first and last names, email address, and any personal information. Then it'll ask you some more questions such as how frequently do you use the software, and I recommend that you choose something between daily, weekly, rather than monthly or other, because that will indicate that you aren't using the software enough and your review will most likely be rejected. As a result, I would advise going with what your job is in using the software on a daily basis. You are obviously just a user because you purchased the software, which was the first of 3 tasks that we must perform. Let's move on to the next one, so click on the next button right now. All you have to do now is rate the actual software, the overall value of the software, and the overall quality of the software. You can just go back and see what other people said. The overall ratings for this one was 5 out of 5. And trust me, the better review you write, the more positive the feedback is, the better. They're less likely to accept people who consistently give everything in a 1-star rating. So if the software is very good based on other people's rating, it's always better to leave a 5-star review. Now you can see if it was easy to use, you might give it a 4 for this one, a 5 for this one, and a 5 for this one, even though they're all optional. Now you may rate other features. This is also optional, but the more of them you complete, the better your chances of generating money are. So if you don't mind selecting some of these, you don't have to complete all of them after that. You will select how does the pricing of Telegram compare to similar products. You can say whether it was way too expensive, mid-tier, or inexpensive at all. I would just like it was inexpensive at all. And how likely are you to recommend the software to a friend or colleague? I'd say I put 9 in this scenario, but you don't have to copy and paste my answers because they'll differ depending on the program and firm you're rating. After that, just push next. The last step is to title your review. You can get some idea from other people's reviews. For example, Telegram is the best community platform on the market. Therefore, what I would say is that Telegram is the best free community software on the market or something similar. You don't have to copy and paste the full title. You can change it a little. Now, you'll write the benefits and drawbacks. So tell us what you liked best about this product. As I previously stated, you can get an idea from other people's review and then write it quickly. For the cons, you get an idea from other people's reviews as always. Just modify the text a little and rewrite it in your own words to make it your unique review. You can leave this blank if you want, but if you fill it out as well, you'll have a better chance. The more forms you fill out, the more information you give them, and the more money you get because more individuals and software owners will accept your reviews. So don't leave anything blank where it says optional. Don't be lazy. I know it'll only take you a minute or two to do everything, but it'll be worth it. After that, you can choose whether you switch from another product or not. For example, you could check yes, you did, and then specify the product you switched from. Let's assume this individual didn't do that, but this one did, and he went from WhatsApp. I can search for the WhatsApp software right here, WhatsApp by WhatsApp. And I'll simply scroll down and grab this box by submitting this review. Then just click submit. You can review all of these different softwares as I've demonstrated. As you can see, there are over 100 softwares in the A category that you can review today. Another 100 from the B category, another 100 in the C category, and so on and so forth. The list goes on and on. These are just categories of different softwares to review. So there will never be a shortage of money to be made from this website. So go out there and go to Captera.com. Start reviewing those softwares, start submitting your reviews, and start collecting your earnings. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. I so appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on our next video.